Hey, what's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from down in California. Well, it's made in China, but it's for everybody around here. This is the legendary Mama Pat's chicken taco. Might be going like a taco, but you know. Hey, people like chicken, people like tacos. Cooking instructions include boiling 2 cups of water and add noodles and cook for 3 minutes. Turn off heat, add contents of seasoning and vegetable package, and stir well for 1 minute. Okay. So 3 minutes and the 1 minute stir. Sadly, the vegetable package that came with these is gone. Yeah, I'm really bummed about that. Because these are amazing. But here, let's see if I can do this without making an enormous mess. There is the noodle block. We'll drop it in. Got some boiling water right there. And we've got a whopping 3 minutes of time together, folks, to chill. This is the seasoning sachet. And again, there is no vegetables. There used to be a sachet that had like kind of like Kool-Aid, like a light, like either lemonade or I think there was fruit punch too, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, and you'd mix it with 8 ounces of cold water, and you'd have like your drink, and you'd have your noodles, and it was just like the most unique thing ever. But due to like, dude needs to make some money, and a lot of the places where he wanted to sell it wouldn't allow that. For example, corrections industry. Yeah, he's got his stuff being sold in prisons. So that's cool. That was kind of his main goal, was to have his products in a higher, like, lower sodium, all that good stuff. So yeah. But today I'm going to tear apart, while we wait, some Monopoly tickets from Safeway. Perhaps we'll be a big winner, but I don't know. You can enter this code. Yeah. I've got a weird one though. We were like walking in, and somebody. No, we were leaving. That's right. And somebody walked up to my wife and was like, "Hey, want one of these?" She's like, "Okay." There's another one. You got to enter all the crap in. I want an instant win. I don't want no effort. None. Just show me the money. Oh! Nope. Towards the end of this silly Monopoly game, they give out like 100 of them at a time, because it's gonna end. It's just crazy. Oh! 50 cents off pickles. Where is that one? Did I already open it? I'm gonna be ticked if I did. I bet you I did. There was one of these that's I must have. Oh, that was like my whole big thing today. I was gonna open the. Oh, maybe it's already. Oh well. Ah, there. Yeah, look at that. Employee game ticket. What's that all about? I bet you it just means you can't win. That'd be my guess. Oh look, another one you have to install an app and deal with. No. Shop, play, win. Oh, we got 5 seconds left before we got it. Ah! Well, yeah. Well, we got a minute to stir. Maybe I can stir this stuff and peel some tickets. I think that's in the realm of possibility. I can multitask, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah. Oh. Where's my freaking energy drink? I need energy. Can't you tell? Does it seem like I've had like 20 cups of coffee? Well, I'm enjoying these. It's a company makes these things called Bang energy drinks. Okay, let's set this for 1 minute. Go. And they're freaking strong. They've got 300 milligrams of caffeine, and they make my head explode. I want to do the employee ticket last. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! 50 cents off lunch meat. Come on, just... I want one that's like 40 bucks. Here's 40 bucks. Oh, that's interesting. This one says you can win 20 million. This one says you can win 250 million. But I don't seem to be winning anything. Maybe if you're an employee of Safeway, you can win. Oh, wow. I won macaroni salad. Hooray, listen to the fanfare. But I need to stir this a little bit more. Now let's open the employee. Wow, I feel so behind the scenes. So cool. So, I don't know. And guess what? I guess you get the shaft if you work it. Safeway. Oh, I could sit here and complain about that store all day. But that's not what we're here for. It's for this. Here's the broth. And then the noodle. The broth has a very pleasant flavor to it. However, where'd that go? Where is the package? I threw that away, didn't I? I need to look at the package. It couldn't have gotten too far. There it is. Okay, it doesn't say hot and spicy on it. I don't know. When I think of I probably think taco in a different way than a lot of people do, but I'll kind of do something up magical here. I baked this tortilla and I took a little bite off and it's good. So, take your tortilla, throw it in here, like that, okay? Yeah, I mean, so I've been endorsing this guy's stuff for a while, and it was cool because it had the vegetables and it had the, what do you call it in it? The drink, which was just like revolutionary and phenomenal, but I mean, it tastes like there's really chicken in there. I'm sure there isn't. I mean, it's good, but is it the best chicken flavored pillow pack in the United States? I can't say that anymore. No, it needs those vegetables, dude. You absolutely have to have that, because this might be better for you. That's not how I review. I mean, but I'm just one guy, you know. I know a lot of people really want to have high scores from the Ramen Raider, but the only way to get that is to do that. But he did mention that they would again have the vegetables at some point. He's competing. I'm like, I think the dude is so cool because he's doing something that nobody's really done before. He's competing in this market that's generally owned by two companies. And that's it. Nobody else really can do a lot in that scene. But he's got a good product, and I recommend it. I will say that this is, I mean, it's good. There's some grilled chicken. We got egg, grilled chicken, tortillas, cilantro, spring onion. What else could we need? We could use some crispy onions. That makes things a little nicer. Not really a taco kind of thing, but you know, it'll work. And then we've got some cheddar jack. Let's give this a go. Put a nice big chunk of cheese on there, yeah. And honestly, I think this could do, I'd like that cheese to be melted. So, hold on a second. Alright, that's a little melty now. What else do we need? I know. Sauce caliente. Yeah. Now you're talking. Well, cool. Alright, well, rad. This is some good stuff. I highly recommend it. Can't say it's the best in the US anymore. Can't say it's the worst, that's for sure. And I can't say it's really like... It's like... It's good. It's good. The best? I don't know. That chicken feel is so even. I really like it though. And yeah. So there you go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. This is my Friday, so I'm out for the week. Have a good one and bye.